The flexible tube allows you to easily pivot and move your backpack blower's air tube. The flexible plastic tube is attached between the elbow and the swivel tube. Over time, the tube can crack or have a hole rubbed through it, causing air to leak. Replacing the flexible tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the clamp and removing the pivot tube. Now I'll remove the clamp from the hose. Next, I'll remove the clamp that secures the tube to the elbow, and I can pull the tube away from the elbow and remove the clamp. Now I can install the new flexible tube. I'll insert it through the clamp and then place it back onto the elbow. And I'll re-secure the clamp. Now I'll reinstall the clamp on the pivot tube end. I'll reinstall the pivot tube and secure the clamp into place. And that's all it takes to replace the flexible tube on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.